When it comes to healthy plants, you often need to know more about your soil than the simple soil meters can tell you. They can tell you its pH and whether or not the soil is fertile, but they can't tell you what it is fertile with. This can give you so much more detail. It can give you the pH, it can also give you the nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium levels. It will not only give you the answers you're seeking, but it will also tell you what your plants actually want, which is really helpful to have a cheat sheet right there. Now, I'll admit when I first opened this up, it looked really daunting, but it's actually really easy to do. For the pH, you simply add in the dirt and then add in the two compounds it tells you to add in, and then wait 5 minutes. That's really it. Once you wait, you'll find out exactly what the pH is of the soil you pulled out for it. Now, for the next test, you do need to add a little filter into a plunger, then you add your dirt, then you add first compound, squish it all down, and then add a final compound to the filtered water to get your results. Sounds way more complicated than it really is. It's just some measuring and some waiting, and that's about it. And this thing's pretty cool. This is how you get it filtered. You push down and it squishes that dirt down to the bottom through the filter, and then the top will have that liquid for you that you just pour into the test tube. Here it is in a test tube. You add that little bit of reagent. Some of them you have to wait for, some you don't. This one is telling me exactly where I am on my nitrogen. It says I'm super low. Here I am on phosphorus. I'm right where I want to be. That's fantastic. And finally, I have potassium. And on the potassium, it looks like I am nowhere near what my soil needs. I am very, very low again. I would never know this without this test kit. I really love it, and I definitely recommend it if you want your garden to flourish. It is powerful information.